Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Avalanche, complete guide step by step clearly. The first step is to gather all of your financial information. List your income sources and their amounts. Next, compile a list of all your debts with their respective interest rates. Organize your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Focus on the debt with the highest interest first. Allocate any extra funds towards this specific debt. Make sure to pay the minimum on all other debts. Create a budget that accounts for your essential expenses. Include rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation in this budget. Allocate a portion of your income towards an emergency fund as well. Calculate how much extra you can contribute to your highest interest debt each month. This requires careful planning to ensure it is sustainable. As you make these payments, keep track of your progress. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, move to the next one on your list. Repeat the process, consistently applying any extra payments. Continue this method until all debts are eliminated. Remember to periodically review your budget and adjust as necessary. Aim to keep your expense levels under control to maximize debt repayments. The Avalanche method is effective for saving money on interest over time. Stay committed and patient as you work towards financial freedom. This method requires discipline, but it can lead to significant savings. With time and effort, you'll find yourself debt-free. Embrace this journey and take charge of your financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.